Pragyan rover of Chandrayaan-3 has rolled down on the lunar surface. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India fully supports the expansion of BRICS membership through a consensus-based approach. High Commissioner of India to Sri Lanka, Gopal Bagle, has said that India-Sri Lanka relations are likely to enhance in key areas of food security, energy security, currency support, and long-term investments. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has released National Curriculum Framework for School Education in New Delhi. The framework marks an important and transformative step toward the implementation of NEP 2020. Road Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari has informed that by the year 2030, the country's electric vehicle market is expected to grow to 10 million unit annual sales and create 50 million jobs.